Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna review some of my favorite lipstick and lip glosses. So let's get started. So the first one is this Insight Cosmetic Matte Lip Ink in the shade Boji. Let me show you the swatch. So this is how it's look. It's very affordable. The only con is it is not transfer proof. The next is also from Inside Cosmetic Lip Ink in the shade Divine Wine. This is how it's look, and yes, it is non-transfer. The next we have Lakme 925 weightless liquid lipstick in the shade Blush Velvet. You can also use it as a blush. Next we have this Eba Cosmetics very trending cinnamon chai. Let me show you the swatch, but it is not transfer proof. The next we have this elf cosmetic lip gloss. This is one of my favorite, so lightweight, must try from elf cosmetics. I am just speechless about this. The next we have this Maybelline. Again, it is trending. Let me show you the swatch. This is a beautiful nude color for shade for everyday use, but it is also not transfer proof. Again, disappointed. The next we have this earth rhythm lip and cheek trained in the shade mermaid. This is not in for the cheek, it is not good for Indian skin tone, but lips it is okay product. The next again we have from Inside Cosmetics. This is a wine, dark wine shade for wedding look. So I am in love with this shade. This is one of my favorite shade. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.